Here's the front of the house, and there is the view across in front of the house on the other side. Front door. There's the front door. Here's the living room with the picture window. And here's the steps. There's the light Tiffany. Here's the kitchen. Cherry cabinets. Here's the family room. Ceiling fan, fireplace. Here's the other room that goes into the laundry area. Here's where the furnace was. There's the washer and dryer. There's the bathroom. Crystal sink and toilet. Back through the kitchen. There was the family room where the fireplace was. Here is kitchen cabinets. Again, the one up the steps. Here's the outside patio door. Here's what it looks like outside. The view outside. Here is the bathroom. Shower. And here is the back bedroom. View of the back. Here's the hallway. Linen closet. Here's the front bedroom with the view of outside front. And going through to the third bedroom. Panoramic view of this. Don't want to make everybody dizzy, but there's pretty much the house. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs. This is one down. And this is the panoramic view of the living room. There's a closet over here. We've got stuff in it too. We haven't cleaned it out yet. And here's a panoramic view of the kitchen. And here's a panoramic view of the living room. That's the tour. 1752 Crestmont Drive. Huntington, West Virginia.